What's up, guys? ATM Sports Cards back with another 08 Premier box. Good luck to everybody. Booth 9919 with the AFC East, Dabump with the AFC North, Bosox NFC West, Sanchezfan AFC West, Klavalla AFC South, Bluestates NFC South, Sanchezfan NFC East, and Ballerskrip NFC North. Here we go. Right on top, Sidney Rice for the Vikings, 4 out of 99 to the NFC North, Ballerskrip. Up next for the Jets, AFC East, going to Booth 9919, Dustin Keller, 307 of 375. Up next, Roman Gabriel, 17 out of 30 for the Rams. NFC West, that would be Bosox. Nice. This is going to be NFC North, AFC West, NFC West, and AFC East. So a nice randomizer here. Barry Sanders, LT, Joe Montana, Tom Brady, 26 of 45. Two color, one color. Nice hit. Up next for the Saints, NFC South, that would be Bluestates, Demario Presley. That is 166 of 199. And we got a redemption. Kellen Winslow Sr. autograph, numbered to 65. That was the Saints on that Demario Presley. Kellen Winslow Sr., I don't know what team he was on. Have to look it up. And then for the Cowgirls, NFC East, Sanchezfan, Romo Barber Ware. Three of 25. Say the Chargers for the Winslow, AFC West. That's the fact, that one goes to Sanchez as well. There you go. What's up, guys? ATM Sports Cards. We got a one box break of 08 Premier live on the blog here. Good luck to everybody. Foxborough 11 with the AFC East, near mint condition. NFC North, Bluestates, AFC South, Ballerskrip, NFC South. Dabump 56, NFC East, near mint, AFC West. Sanchez, AFC North, and Outcast 24, NFC West. So here we go. Alright, card number 1. Maurice Jones-Drew to the Jaguars. AFC South, Bluestates. For the Dolphins, AFC East, Foxborough, Jake Long, rookie autograph, 14 of 375. For the 49ers, NFC West, Outcast, Frank Gore, coaster. That's 12 out of 30. Oh, wow. Hushmanzada, Holmes, Edwards, and Clayton That's AFC North, AFC North, AFC North, and AFC North. So congratulations to Sanchezfan. Look at the patches on that one. That is sick. 8 of 45. Then up next, we got for the Broncos, AFC West, near mint, Ryan Torian, 93 of 99. Up next, oh nice, 16 out of 30, going to Sanchezfan, AFC North, Dennis Dixon, Ben Roethlisberger, dual auto. Very nice. And finally, for real, AFC North, Kellen Winslow Jr., quad jersey. Spells out Cleve. And that one is 28 out of 40. There you go. What's up, guys? Here's our third box of Premier for the night, courtesy of blowoutcards.com. Check them out. Check out ATMSportscards.com if you want to get in on a break. We're simulcasting live on blog and then later on YouTube. I got Booth with the AFC North, Wytmike, NFC South, Bosox, AFC East, Klavalla, AFC South, Bluestates, NFC North, Steelerfan, NFC East, Sanchezfan, AFC West, and Bluestates, NFC West. Good luck. Alright, Ravens right on top. Going to the AFC North. That would be Booth 9919. Ed Reed, 9 of 35, silver parallel. Up next, for the Bills, AFC East, Bosox, James Hardy, 35 of 275, red, white, and blue. Up next, for the AFC South, that is Klavalla, Joseph Adai coaster, 21 of 30, Super Bowl. For the Ravens, Booth 9919, Jersey Patch, Willis McGahee, 25 out of 50. We got a redemption here. I think this is the 49ers NFC West, Bluestates, Tom Rathman, penmanship number to 65. For the AFC South, Klavalla, 5 of 25, Reggie Wayne autograph. And finally, for the AFC North, Booth 9919, Braylon Edwards, Derek Anderson, Kellen Winslow Jr., 11 of 25, Clee. That'll do it. Thanks, guys.